Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today, in your super easy English lesson, we learn about the weather. It's very useful. Let's go. Here are some weather words that you need to know. It's sunny. It's partly cloudy. It's cloudy. It's rainy. It's snowy. Now let's try. How's the weather? What did you say? It's snowy. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's rainy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's partly cloudy. Nice. Now we are going with temperatures. So it's hot, it's warm, it's cool, it's cold, and it's freezing. Good. And we give you minus 20 degrees Celsius or minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The Fahrenheit system is used in very few countries in the world. Only 12 countries use the Fahrenheit system, including the United States. So if you do travel to the US, you must know the Fahrenheit system. But for most other countries, you can use the Celsius system. So, minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit is freezing. 20 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit. How's the weather? It's warm. 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. How's the weather? It's cool. 30 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. How's the weather? It's hot. Minus 10 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Fahrenheit. How's the weather? It's cold. Good. Now we put both things that we've learned today, we put them together. So how's the weather today? It's cloudy and cool today. How's the weather today? It's sunny and hot today. How's the weather today? It's snowy and cold today. How's the weather today? It's rainy and warm today. How's the weather today? It's partly cloudy and freezing today. Good job, guys. What is your favorite kind of weather? I really like sunny and hot. How about you? Good. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like us. Don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.